I'm late. I'm running. We're about to wrap last scene of the day, and we're about to. I made it. I'm tired. See you guys later today. The spiral is real. Like, I brought about the same thing as I had yesterday. Some green beans and the jerk beef, ground beef. I pretty much eat the same thing every 2 days. So like I'll make food and I'll split it up for two lunches, and then like tonight I'm gonna make more food. Maybe I'll bring you along with me since we have nothing else to do today. Okay, so now I'm home. It's 4:57. I'm going to prep some ribs for tomorrow's dinner, and maybe Saturday's lunch, depending on how much I eat. And then I'm also going to do tomorrow's lunch and do some chicken with some type of vegetable. I think that might be like sweet potato or something else, but we'll see. I think the first thing I want to do is just cut all of the ingredients on the cutting board so that I can just focus on the meat and seasoning. First, I'm gonna start by making my marinade. I'm gonna start by cutting up some cilantro. Parsley also works, but I do like cilantro a little bit more. It doesn't matter how finely you cut them. I'm gonna be using 2 separate bowls to separate my chicken marinade and my ribs marinade. Nothing makes a recipe better than some fresh garlic. So I'm gonna be cutting some of those. I'm gonna squeeze half a lemon into my chicken marinade. You can never get enough garlic, so I'm gonna put some garlic oil in both marinades. Yes, I know I use a lot of oil, but it just is what it is. These are all the seasonings I'm gonna use. I've written them all at the bottom of the screen so you can see what I've put into each marinade. After I'm done making both marinades, I put those to the side and prep the meat. I cut up my meat, put it in the bowl, clean it, and then lather the marinade on top, put it in foil, and put it in the fridge so that it can be cooked tomorrow. As for my chicken, I'm gonna put it in a bowl, clean it, and then lather it in the marinade, and then put it in the air fryer. I put my chicken in the air fryer at 360 for 25 minutes. Now, this may be an untraditional way to cook a sweet potato, but I always just wrap it in tissue, put some water in it, and then pop it in the microwave. And that's lunch for 2 days. Come back tomorrow to see how I make the ribs. Bye.